Alright guys, we are back with another video, and today we are installing tune. I'm here with Matt at Position Advance. What else are we installing today, Matt?
The pulley.
So this is a crank pulley, which is basically bigger than the stock pulley, so I don't know, you get more boost somehow, and then you could also do the upper supercharger pulley, but I guess since I already have the fpace S, that we don't have to do the upper one because it's already upgraded. And because I ordered the kit from Mina Design, they also give you a new idler pulley. So this makes it like smooth because otherwise it's ribbed. So you run a heavy duty belt because you have more power now. So we're gonna go over some basics of the install, but while the tech is installing the pulley, me and Matt are gonna be loading the tune on the car. So we're gonna go over how to do that part. And also let's go over some upgrades I've done in the car.
Let's talk about it.
So some upgrades we've done is the car is now lowered on H&R springs. We also did some 22-inch by 10.5 Verde wheels, and we also got performance intakes from Mina Gallery, and these help a lot because it like opens up the intake box and you can really hear the intake or the supercharger whining, which makes driving it a lot funner, and it sounds cool. And
funner?
Also,
funner?
Yeah, makes it more fun.
There you go.
We also tinted the front windows because stock, the backs are tinted but not the front, so we just wanted them to match.
Look at this paint though.
Yeah. Oh, and I did a DIY cut and polish and ceramic coating on the paint, so now it's more reflective. Okay, so what exhaust mods we've done so far is this. I feel like the original owner upgraded this because I looked at videos online and they're a lot smaller stock. So I think the original owner upgraded it, but also on the there's basically a set of mid mufflers and resonators, and then rear mufflers. So there's the mid muffler and the resonator in the middle. We chopped them both off, so now the car's a lot louder than stock, and that's pretty much all we've done to the exhaust so far. Oh, and we put an X pipe, so that helps like smooth out the sound a bit.
It sounds good though.
Yeah, it sounds really good. It sounds clean. But I feel like these mufflers they're aftermarket because I was looking at them and like those are not stock. Look at these mufflers. That's not stock. They're tiny, right? Because I was watching videos online and this whole thing is filled up with muffler. Like that is not. I feel like I have upgraded mufflers already. Because when I was driving at home, I realized it's like already loud, and I was like, wait, it's already kind of loud.
But who's mad?
No one's mad. So, but I think we're gonna end up chopping those off anyway. All right, Mathis.
Yes.
Let us know what is in this box right here.
What is in the box, you ask? We have a
handheld tuner. So hopefully the map's already loaded. All we do is plug it in and load map.
I'm excited for this VelocityAP.
Yeah, I hope this tune.
My buddy Drew is a big Jaguar guy, and says a lot of good things about this company. So you better be right, Drew.
So supposedly this tune adds, well, since I already have the S, it's 380 horsepower, and I guess the tune makes it like, if you do the pulley too, it'll be like 450. But since I have an upgraded supercharger pulley, I guess that's another like 5 or 10 horsepower, so maybe 460. And I have the intakes, so maybe I have like 460 horsepower, 470. So
honestly, who cares? It's just gonna be faster.
Yeah, it's basically gonna be a fast SUV. Faster. Maybe not like SVR fast, but it'll be faster. So what else is this?
It's the OBD2
OBD2
cable. Oh, that's easy.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's cool. Okay.
So this is modern technology. That's all you need to load a tune on a car now.
Dude, remember before what it took to tune a car?
You'd have to buy like a standalone, a piggyback, hook up a laptop. Now you just like buy a handheld thing, load a map or a laptop.
Plug this shit in and you're done.
You hit load and you have a tune on the car. And the crazy thing is like with technology nowadays, like they get logs of your car, you email a file out, they adjust it somehow, and then they email it back to you and you load on the car. Now your car's like more tuned than it was before.
And everything makes like 400, 500 horsepower.
Yeah. Especially like BMWs. Okay, I think that hooks up to the
computer.
So I think that's it, right?
Yep, that is it.
So I think you just, maybe you want to open the door, get more light in here, and you just plug in the OBD2 port.
Where's the OBD2 port?
Should we read instructions first? Hold on.
Nah, who does that?
Wait, hold on. Did we do all this? Wait.
It's probably like the boot mod. Let me see.
Yeah. Hold on.
Was when we were doing the
What?
Are we just gonna talk about it?
Yeah, let's just talk about it. I think people deserve to know.
Alright, so we're not gonna be able to upload the tune today.
We're not gonna be able. We had a minor. It was what was it? A technical difficulty?
No, it's not even a difficulty.
I mean,
It's just a different process of how they give you the tune.
Yeah, so the tuner doesn't come loaded with the tune, so basically we have to update the tuner with the laptop, and then we download the stock file onto the tuner, we email that to the tuner, they adjust it, they email it back, you load it on your car. I didn't know that.
Phat's heart is broken that he might have to wait a couple days.
I might have to wait like a day or 2 or 3. Well, it's already Friday tomorrow. It might be Monday, Tuesday.
And where are we going now, since I told you to bring your laptop earlier?
We're going to my house to grab my laptop. But Matt is going to see Kitty, so I don't know. I mean, if I would have opened the box, because like I got the tuner in a box, the instructions are in the box, and then it's not like I like opened it up just to look at it, so I didn't read the instructions, so I didn't know.
To be fair though, boot mod on BMWs, they just have the map that you just upload.
I bought it as a kit. You would think it would just come loaded with the map pre-tuned.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Surprise! It's not. So now we gotta go through this process. It won't be like a few days until I upload the tune. Then we could see how much horsepower it gained. But it's a learning process. But if I would have opened the box and read the instructions, I would have seen like this is something I could have done days before, because I got this kit on like Monday. I could have had this done by like Wednesday, and then it'd be ready for install.
It would have been useful for them to send like a send an email.
There should have been instructions like, hey, make sure you send out your tune before you try installing everything. But whatever. So now we're going back to my house, grab a laptop. Yesterday? You gonna eat with her again? She's only your wife.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're back at the apartment. And now we're gonna plug this thing in. Ugh, what a process this is. Alright, so now we're on the laptop.
Kitty.
Let's get this done here. What a mistake.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Here. Guy. For a reaction to those.
Installing this thing. This is on my work computer. They're gonna be, if anything happened on my computer, it's gonna be like, what the heck is this? Oh, it's to tune my car. Oh well. Sure, install. So we have this thing plugged in. Whoa. And then now it's updating. So we gotta update it. And then we gotta pull the stock map off, email it out. Yeah. Back here in the car, and Matt is gonna plug this in to the OBD2 port. And we'll
unroll it.
Unroll it? You need more length?
I need more paint, bro.
Me too, but not here. Wait. I pulled it back. I meant my height, okay. Am I just making it tighter?
God damn it, bro.
Bro, I only got one hand, bro. One has to hold the camera. People can't see.
Wah.
Alright. Step 1.
You did make it tighter.
Oops. And we are going to be reading. And this is going to store our stock map so we can send it off. Is that? Oh, it turned on. Okay, go to work menu. Work. Alright, hold on. I'm going to read the instructions. It's the X761. I think the instructions say it could take like 25 minutes. That's why you should put it on a charger, because basically if your battery shuts off or gets weak, it'll automatically turn off. And if that shuts off everything, you're going to have a bad day. Because it could break the whole ECU. Alright, I think we should just leave it now.
Holy shit, 50 minutes?
So, it finished. It said it was successful. We had a scare with the battery. We needed a tender, but luckily we had one. Oh man, that was scary because it was like 30 minutes in and the charger block we had on ran out. So we had to scramble to find a tender to make sure. I thought the whole thing shut off and I was like, oh my god. We just bricked the ECU. Okay, just like every install, everything we do to cars, some time has elapsed where we had an issue and then we got it fixed. It took a while. I think same thing happened with the MAF when I got my tune. It doesn't matter what you do, there's just drama. It's never like a straight easy cut job. We got the crank pulley in there with the new belt. Well, basically this charge pipe that goes into your throttle body, it's made out of plastic, so when it gets warped or melts. Yeah, by the way, if you ever take this thing off, just upgrade it. Just upgrade it to an aftermarket one because you probably get a rubber coupler or silicone coupler. Now the next step is I gotta download the tune, email it out, I get the tune back, load it on, and then we send it. So I submitted the tune file last night to Velocity and they already emailed me back this morning. It's 11 o'clock with the new tune file, so I'm gonna go load this on. I put it on the tuner and we're gonna go load it on the car right now. This is on. All right, hopefully this doesn't take too long. All right, we got the tuner going. Starting right communication. Put the charger block on and then let's see how it goes. Chris from Mina Gallery gave me his number to text him. Awesome customer service. He said the tune should only take like 10 minutes to load. So I got the charger block on there just in case to be safe, but is it done? Is it done? Looks like it should be done. Just waiting for confirmation. Switch off the dashboard to continue. Alright, that is it. So I guess I'm going to unplug it. Alright, so technically my car has a tune on it now. Alright, we're going to turn it on now to see if there's, I guess, pops and bangs. Well, he said like in sport mode it's a lot more. Alright, thank God. My car turned on. That's the first step. No check engine light. They said you might get a check engine light, but luckily I don't. And then let me see here. Oh shit. It lets you rev past. It takes off the soft limiter. Switch into R dynamic mode. Let's see if it pops. Hold on. Tune is loaded. Let's see if it makes the pops and bangs. And the tune removes the soft limiter, so we can go past 4,000. Alright, we're gonna see how this thing. Alright, so Matt is now driving the car, taking it out for its maiden voyage. Dude, it definitely feels way more torquey.
Oh, it's got a little extra pep.
This thing's fucking fast, bro. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Dude, what do you think?
It's pretty fast.
What the hell did we just do, bro?
Oh, no joke. Alright, it needs the 85.
Yeah. We gotta run it now against Ashton.
Yeah, it's subtle.
Yeah. like a SUV has a business being this fast.
We're having too much fun with SUVs.
I know.
Please don't be a cop.
Alright, so that sums up the Tune and Pulley, and what a big difference that made, huh?
That's pretty fucking fast.
It feels hella fast, so we're just getting more gas now, and next mod is a wide body, so stay tuned for that one, guys.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.